It feels that's what I see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to be showing you guys how what I'm going to be doing is moviestarplanet. First off here is my my YouTube account. Make sure to go and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to be doing throughout this whole entire time I'm going to be doing my Superstar and the P channel, where I'm going to be doing a lot of moviestarplanet videos, all moviestarplanet videos, all moviestarplanet videos, all reviewing some new games that I found out and everything like that. So today, let's just go on and play NFT. How popular people are around, and I want to leave you to go over here for now. So, I have some friends. Oh, he didn't even okay, it doesn't really matter. So, first off, I have 480 coins. Good. I'm going to be going into the shopping spree, going to get myself some things really, really nice. I personally think that are good, and yeah. So you guys can go ahead and follow me on moviestarplanet. My username is wolflover642, and I'm on level 5. So if you see a wolflover642 level 5, then follow me and like friend me on it. Let's go to the shopping spree. When I tried to do a video, it just came up with a blank screen without a photo in, and now I can finally do it with you guys. Yeah. Woo! So I'm gonna go in shopping. If you guys find out a clothes, if you guys see when I'm picking out some clothes, do you see some kind of clothes that you think what happens when it's going by? Comment it down below. It's all for free, guys. If you guys want to be in a hashtag group, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel notification, like this video, comment down below when you have done, and in that hashtag group squad. And if you guys want to be in the hashtag group squad and get a shout in my next video, then the emoji I'm thinking of is the one that has the eye like this. That emoji. If you guys put that in, then one of you guys will get a shout out in my next video. So you guys see anything so far? Right. So I want to pick a top with money, okay? With money. Ooh, it has a kind of cool top here that they have, and obviously I'll find one that I have 480 something. Oh, actually, I'm gonna have a look at some hair. I found some really, really nice hair. Like, I need to go to page 23. Or was it 32? I don't know. I think it was page 32. How much is this cost in money? I wasn't going to buy it for that. If I can buy that. Because that looks so cool. And I want to have the colours in that. That's bloody 9 diamonds. Wow. Thank you very much, bloody 9 diamonds. I don't even have... was it page 32? I think, yeah, it was page 32 that I needed to go on. Oh, I need to go back to page 31. Because I had this hair that me and my friend Stevie wore at the same time. And I think it cost quite a lot of money. But I think this is the what? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. It's at page 23. If it is, I'm going to kill myself. I'm going to kill myself. It's at page 23. It's page 23. It looks like it's the one. No, it's not. I have to look for all of them because me and Stevie found one that we both looked on, and it had the same kind of hairdo that she had. I need to have a look for all of them, guys. This is going to take me like hours and hours to actually find the correct one with their hair on it. Oh, I'm going to go into the long hair ones because those supposed to be having hair. obviously it has one with construction red hair. Not that kind of red hair, but 650 pounds, and it has 650 pounds, do I? No, I don't. I'm trying to find it, but I can't. Was it page 31? I feel like they're tricking me. Or was it page 90? Let's say bloody page 91. Don't say bloody page 90. But if I got a ton of hair that I feel kind of like. I don't know if it was that, but it was on page 42, I think. That's it! I don't have enough money. This is the one, guys, that I've been waiting for my whole entire time. Oh my god. I can choose the color on this, and I really want to get it. So I really want to change the color of everything. It kind of was this one. Yeah, it was this one. And then it's the same one once again. I don't feel like they're both the same. Yeah, they're both the same. Like, okay, I'm gonna do some activities so I can get £650, guys. I really want £650. £50. There are a lot of different chat rooms to explore. Go introduce yourself to everyone. Yeah. With any chat room. Okay, I'm gonna get any chat room. I'm gonna do part 2 of this, so stay tuned for the next video I do, because I'll be doing part 2 of this. Plus be part 3, part 4, part 6, 7, 8, part 9, part 10, possibly. I'm gonna go to the beach. Here's a question for you guys I really want you to put down in the comment section below. What is 78 times 5? If you guys get the correct answer, you guys will get a shout out in my next video. So I'm not telling you any like tips or anything. You just gotta try it out yourself. Click on here, say hi, hello. But I already know because I've already done this before. Where are some star coins in here? I wonder where you can find some star coins in here or in any other place. Because I need to find. Wait, you can't say that with me. Joking. Are you kidding me? Wearing the same dress as me? Yeah. But I'm going away from you. Ooh, star coin. Found it. Ooh, lovely. Ooh. Can I click it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, lovely. Oh, baby, yes. Oh, I really hurt. Oh. Oh, I got money. Oh, it hurt. I'm on a new level. Oh, no, I'm not. No. Oh, I have 9 minutes. I'm supposed to be doing fast one, then I could buy that hat. No. Or to get to a cool way to you not know who you are? So I said, David or Islam. Oh, I have to find somebody in the chat room. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go to a cafe because the cafe is quite nicer than the beach and the mall and the skate park and the summer in the city and the cat park and the VIP club. Because it's so quiet, it's not quite busy enough. Some of the rooms that you take are quite busy. And I just feel like that this is quite, like, flowy. It's quite, well, all of that kind of stuff that it feels like to me that it's quite quiet. And it's just the kind of thing for me that I quite need in the time that I get to. Because I need to have I need to go to some place where I find some quietness and everything like that. And I haven't had the quiet choice to have a little bit of quiet. But here where I am is quite nice and quite quiet. So I feel like that this is the kind of place that I just need to keep on going to, where it'll find, like, it will give me some more space. Oh, now you want to ban me? Okay, little monster, little head guy. Okay, I'll be friends with you. Okay. Come, some people, I want to be your friend. Your heart broke around Missy? Ah, I'm so sad of you. Not. No. Anna. Are you my friend, you Missy? You're my friend? Oh, no. Can I have you over there? Yeah, I want to be your friend. That is kind of like you were about that. I'll about it. As long as you have here, is bad. Okay. Can I have an autograph of you, please? Can I have an autograph of you, please? Let's go and message her. Woo! Can I have? Oh, I got a message over here. Thanks. Okay, thanks. You said it twice in now, little girl. Thanks. Can I have, it's so lucky. Can I have, oh, autograph, please, in, please, in, return, because it's nice to give it in return. No. So guys, I'll come back to you the next time I have, that I'm going to be coming back to do this video. So I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe and comment. Comment down below if you saw anything that was your favourite in the shop today that I went to. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is my part 1 on playing on moviestarplanet. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you later. Oh, sorry guys, I'm back. Okay.